So just to share some insights towards the economic news, what's more important. We have already, I mean, the US side, they have already come to an agreement on the debt ceiling, but they would still require approval itself, which the deadline is actually next Monday. So it's something to watch. I think it'll be a key event that will change the stock market eventually. This Friday there's job announcement. I'm not too sure how much it will affect the market, but I also think that it's a key important factor that we should look out for lah. And of course, we have the CPI shortly next month. Now it's still May 31st. So once we enter June, we've got about 2 weeks, and then we have our CPI report year on year and month on month. So do you guys think it will go up or down? What do y'all think? So feel free to put it in the chat. I'll look through, and if I can, I'll try to go up. Okay, Anson saying it's going up. Right, that's good. That's good. Go up, then the market come down, you can buy more, right? But okay, then that is on the, if I'm not wrong, the 13th itself. Then right after is 14, which is the interest rate hike. Then of course the interest rate hike, I believe they are pricing in there will be another hike, but I'm not too sure. So we still need to wait for the FOMC itself to announce the details lah. So hopefully the market can tone down a bit. I believe the AI hype is quite wild. If you guys have been chasing all the AIs. Okay, without further ado, back to the Poem's mobile 3 app for option navigation. I bet you guys are excited about options trading lah. Okay, so the table of content. So these are some things that I'll go through with regards to Poem's 3 options trading. If you guys have not yet downloaded the app or the latest Poem 3 app, please go to App Store or your iOS to download this, update it to the latest version. You should be able to see an options tab when you press trade. Then if you guys are looking to open, you guys will be required to open a sub account. So even though you have an account with us, Poems already, do go under, there will be, go to the options tab. There will be this sub account which requires you to open up your options account. So I'll share more as we move along, but basically I'll just talk about account opening, portfolio, cash transfer. I believe all those, how to place a trade, the trade history, price feed, assignment, and exercise. Okay. So without further ado, let us begin. Okay, so this is our Telegram chat. If you guys have yet to join, please scan the QR, join. Our researchers are working very hard. They are posting the news up every single day. Okay, so it's something for you guys to watch out for if you guys don't really have time to catch the market. This QR, this Telegram group will share a lot of insights, with figures as well. So do check it out. I strongly encourage you guys to, you guys can come in and check the Telegram once in a while lah. Don't need to check every day. So okay, I'll just leave this up for another minute. If you guys need to scan, please feel free while we wait for the rest. Okay, give me a second. Futures, yeah, futures is red for the first day in the whole week. Okay, next, moving on. Hope everyone's okay. Hope everyone had their dinner already. Okay, so the prerequisite. So these are the requirements for option account opening itself. Of course, I believe if you guys have been trading the US market, you would have majority of this form ready. So these are 3 forms that we need for you to, in order to open option sub account within your account, Poems account. So you need a W8 band form. You need to acknowledge your risk warning statement. And of course, lastly is your CAR form. This CAR is for SIP products. I believe those who have been trading ETF, those who can trade ETF should already pass this CAR. If not, please do have them filled. So if you're not sure where to get it, you can go under this segment. Okay, you can go to me under your P3 app, and then there's the form segment. The form segment will show you your WA band and RWS. Then for your CAR form, yes, you will have to use the website. Okay, so you have to go online and then submit your CAR from there. So I hope this is clear. These are 3 forms that we will look out for. So the moment you open up the options, so this is how you navigate to the options tab. You press trade and then follow the number. Very clear already. Okay, so you press options and then open account. So what you do is it'll prompt you this disclaimer. Please go and read. Don't be like me, go and don't know what disclaimer or like the terms and condition, then never see, then like shopping mall give you up to 90% discount but never check the terms and condition. Okay, this one must read. Go and read, understand. Although we are, I agree we are complacent. We will just skip through disclaimer only. But please go and read. It's not that we want to jia you, it's not that we want to eat you or anything, but it's something that, please go and read. There's something there, be it, I don't know if it's important to you, but just do check it out, okay? So once you open an account, it will take up to 2 business days. So up to 2, so it can be 1, it can be 2. So I hope if you guys haven't opened options account, please feel free to go and open it right now. It's free of charge. Open account, don't need money on. Okay, free. Okay, moving on. Next, so portfolio value. Okay, so if you look at this account opening, right? There's the portfolio value. So you can view details. There's all these different portfolio value, cash balance, P&L. So all these are there for you to check your status. So if you're not too clear, I will just go through a bit. So portfolio value will be, of course, your portfolio value. Cash balance will is your portfolio minus your value of position. Then your P&L is, of course, your intraday P&L. Okay, I don't need to go through all these, but I hope you understand. If you all don't, you all can also contact your TR because they should have a set of notes to explain to them already. If not, feel free to call us. We will be happy to answer your questions. Okay. So once again, if you guys got any questions, please post it in the Q&A. I will be happy. I'll be happy to answer them once we are closing the near the ending of this webinar itself. Okay, cash transfer in. Okay, this is slightly complicated, but not really. If you follow the steps correctly, you should be able to transfer your money properly. So because this option sub account is slightly new, what you need to do is you have funds inside your main account already. You will have to transfer the money from the main account to your sub account. Okay, I hope this is clear. So how do you do that? Okay, head to me. There's a withdrawal. Okay, if you see on the screen itself, there's this withdrawal. Withdraw funds. You click on it, and then it will link you up to the withdrawal page. Then you can click stocks, /UT. That means, right, that's from your stock account basically. Then right beside you see a OPT. That is your options account. So if you wish to transfer money from your stock to your option, okay, you will withdraw from your stock account. Hope that's clear. If you want to transfer money from your stock to your options account, you will have to press on the stock /UT. So once you click, you can look at this screenshot very clearly. Once you click the number 3, the stock /UT, you can just click on the withdrawal method, which is transfer into account. There'll be a list of a chain where you can select to withdraw of the account and other, but you click on transfer into account, then it will prompt you your options account. So just check, make sure you fill in for the purpose of options trading, and then you click select and submit. So so once you submit, there'll be approval. Once it's approved, you will see the funds inside your option sub account. Okay, wait. So that was cash transfer in. Now it's cash transfer out. So once you transfer into your options account already, then don't know how to come out later start. Then how? So you will have to follow the similar step. Go to withdrawal of funds. Then on the second, so you follow the steps clearly. Under withdrawal, you click, instead of the stock/UT, now you click on OPT. Then once you have the options, then you can just click transfer into another account. Okay, then you will show your stock account this time. It should show your stock account. Then you will withdraw the amount you want back to your stock account. Okay, I'll just answer some quick question right below. Anson, I would love to answer a question. Maybe you want to post it in Q&A, then we will start it off right when we are at the Q&A section. I don't want to confuse everyone. So we'll just follow through for now. Okay, so now it's cash transfer out. So I hope everyone's clear with the cash transfer. If not, feel free to put inside the Q&A again. I will come back to this slide if we need to. Okay. So once you have the cash transfer out and cash transfer in, now you want to check, got approved or not, or reject. What if Phillip steal my money? I also don't know. So you go under the history, under the, transfer history, there will be rejected, approved. Why it's rejected? Maybe you don't have enough money. Okay, why you approve? Because you got money. Okay, as simple as that. So you can toggle around. There'll be from the stock side and from the option side. I hope it's not too complicated. This is quite straightforward if you just want to see if you are transferring in or transferring out. So if you look at the screenshots on the screen right now, if you are looking for a transfer in, you should be looking at your stock/UT segment. Then if you are looking, if you have submit a transfer out, you should be looking from your options perspective, options account. Okay, hope this is clear again. If not, once again, Q&A will be there available for you guys. So now we will talk about stock transfer in. Okay, so this stock account is very special, unique to Phillip's. From stocks, right? Because you have stocks, then what we'll do is we will allow the transfer from your main account from stocks to transfer in your shares to this sub account. Then why do we need this? Is to allow you guys to do a covered call. So if you look at these two screenshots, you just go to options, and then straight away right below, very clear cut, they will have this transfer button for you. Then there's transfer in and transfer out on the third segment, number 3. Okay, just click on transfer in. On the number 4, you can select the shares you want to transfer in. So it's Tesla, Nvidia, Coinbase, whatever you guys have. Okay, so once you transfer in, just click a transfer. I mean, you can also choose your quantity. You don't have to transfer, you don't have to transfer 500. If you're 500, you can transfer 320, 350. But I'm not sure why there's 50 shares there. You can't really do covered call with 50 shares. So you can usually transfer one lot, about 100 shares. Okay, then quite straightforward. Hope everyone's clear about this. So you will transfer the stock into your sub account. So stock transfer out. So same thing. When you transfer into a sub account, then if you need to transfer out, then you just click transfer out. Then there will be the Tesla, how many shares, same thing. Then if you are not sure if you transfer in or transfer out, you can click on this history. It's also right under the options tab. History will have process, completed, rejected, cancelled. So all this is just to inform you that your shares, where are they? Have they been successfully transferred out? It should. So once it's completed, it should appear in your stocks account. Okay. I hope this is clear once again. Order placement. Okay. So for order placement, you won't have to transfer your stocks in. Basically, you just want to buy call, buy put. Okay, so let me share. For the initial phase, we are gonna do only the long put, long call, and long put, long call. So with long put, long call, and covered call itself. But covered call, you will have to be required to have shares That's why we have the transfer here and there. But we allow long put and long call. Why so is because we need client to understand the risk of options. You know, I have friends who doesn't know what are the gravity, like what are the risks of shorting a call or put. And then happily before earnings, they go and place this short put because people say, hey, confirm go up, confirm go up. And then when the bad news come, you know, they're in big trouble. So this is to protect our client. We need you guys to understand that the risk of options trading. I know there are definitely you know, professionals right outside there who already say, oh wow, I already sell put already, then why come here only can long? Yes, we are looking into short put and short call. Sorry, short call you guys can do, but I mean we are talking about naked here. So naked, we understand that, you know, some of you outside have the experience of doing this, but we want to protect, you know, all those people who are new to options, but we also at the same time want them to experience the advantage of options trading. That's why we have this installed. Okay, so I hope that clears up. So for order placement, quite straightforward also. Once you open a options account, you can literally just press trade and then search for the specific counter that you want. So like Apple, you know, all these Microsoft. So you just click on it, then you will see the Apple ticker itself. This will be what you see once you search up Apple. And then on the tab, if you look at it carefully, you will see the options tab. You click on the options tab, then you will see the options chain appearing. And you see, wow, all these so many B and R's, wow, so red, don't understand. But I hope you guys who are doing options come in that you all know something, okay? Please trade knowing what you're trading. Okay, don't be like me, going to, you know, when start investing straight away jump into options, and then what option don't know, buy the 2 week, 1 week expiry also don't know, and then, you know. So this is very important. Please understand your products that you're trading. So this is the option chain. Once you click, you should be able to click in. So okay, from here, I don't want to confuse everyone. So from here, it will be like any other option chain. You click on the bid or ask, or that strike price that you want. So we got call and put. If you guys want to buy calls, then you'll click on the call. Then after that, you will jump straight into your the screenshot on the right. Okay, we'll ask you to buy or sell. Then you can input your limit price, your quantity, and then place limit order, and then you need to confirm, need to check and confirm. Don't later want to buy call, then you suddenly buy put, then never see, confirm. So this order confirmation is for you guys. For you guys, I say again, for you guys. I happened to me before. The expiry wanted to buy 1 month, then go and buy 1 week. Happened before because I never checked. Okay. So important, this order confirmation, please go and look, check the expiry is correct, check the strike price is correct, make sure you're paying the correct amount. This is, then you press confirm. Okay. So once you confirm, your orders will be, so you look at the screenshot on the left, it will be under order received, or it may be rejected because you do not have enough cash balance in this case. So once you order receive, if it's order done, you should see it in your position. So okay, so we are at option. So okay, you will see in your position tab. So if you look at this, so pretty straightforward. If you ask me about this options trading, you know, the B and R's, everything is there. Then you want to buy, sell. So all these, just make sure you confirm, because options have more factors that you're looking at, the time expiry, the strike price, all these you will have to make sure it's correct before you place the trade. And suddenly, hey, I want to buy call, then buy until put, then call in like this. Hey, hello, I need help. That one we really cannot help. So make sure you all check your order. The order confirmation, once again, is there for you guys to check before confirming. We never say you press ready straight away submit order. Okay, so once you're confirmed, it will be straight. It will straight away send to order. Then after that, if it's done, it's done. You will see it in your position. So next, okay, I'll just do a quick video. This is a video done up by our team. by Poems itself. So it just shows you how to open an options account if you are still confused. Okay, so I'll just play this video. I hope everyone can see and hear it. Okay, give me a second. Okay.
Welcome to Poems Mobile 3 app tutorial video. How do you open an options account? Log in to Poems Mobile 3 app with your account number. Head over to the Trade tab. Navigate to the Options drop-down and tap on the Open Account button. You will be prompted to acknowledge an option risk disclosure form. Once you have read through,
this one important. Go and read. This one better go and read.
This is how you open an options account using Poems Mobile 3 app. If you do not have a Poems account, open one by scanning the QR code here first, before proceeding to open the options account with the steps we have just mentioned. Download Poems Mobile 3 app on the App Store and Google Play Store. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for our next one coming soon.
Okay, I hope that's pretty straightforward. Yeah, so you just need to make sure you read the risk disclosure. Everything is okay, then you accept, and then you can proceed to start trading options lah. I mean, of course, provided that you finish your all the forms, it will take up to 2 days for us to approve lah. We still need to do some checks before we allow you to do some options trading. So okay. Now this video will be talking about how to trade the US options. So for you guys to place orders like in short. Okay, I'll play this video once again. Give me a second.
Welcome to Poems Mobile 3.
Oh, sorry. Too excited. Yeah, that's right. Give me a second.
Welcome to Poems Mobile 3 app tutorial video. How do you trade US options? Log into Poems Mobile 3 app with your account number. Head over to the Trade tab and navigate to the Options section. Select the Trade button and key in your desired counter on the search bar. Select Option, and under the Option page, you may choose for the options types such as call or put to displayed separately or all to be displayed together. Select the expiry date and the strike price, respectively. Click the Trade button, select Buy or Sell, input the limit price and quantity, key in your password, and click on Place Order to submit your order. On the order confirmation page, click the Confirm button. The submitted order will be reflected under the Orders tab. There you have it. This is how you trade US options on Poems Mobile 3 app. Download Poems Mobile 3 app on the App Store and Google Play Store. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for our next one coming soon.
Okay, as easy as it gets, how to trade US options. Okay, so you guys just as I explained earlier with this video to enhance our to let you all guys see how to put in the trade. So you just need to go to the tab options, then press trade, select the ticker you want, then go to the option chain, make sure you are clicking on the correct strike expiry that you want, and then you confirm the trade. So it's as easy as that. If you need any questions, if you got any more questions, please put in a Q&A. We have our Global Night team answering them. If not, we also have FAQ on Poem's websites. So all the frequently asked questions, right, is already on the website. That you guys got any, how much is it, everything, it's all on website already. You guys can just go there. It's very straightforward, very clear. Okay, if you are still unsure what, even if the website don't really answer your questions, then you can call in to us. We will be happy to answer your questions. Okay, so let us move on to viewing orders. Okay, viewing orders. Yeah, so just now once you place order, then you see the order received. You want to check correct or not? Please correct or not? Then you click. Okay, you click into the options order that you place. It will show you your order detail. So you will see what you place, your price 0.01. Okay lah. Then if you think that you put wrong price, then there's a withdraw button below. Not that you place already, then cannot withdraw. That one, no lah. We're not here to jia your money. Okay. Make sure you press the withdraw if it's incorrect. we are not stopping you. Okay, make sure you check, withdraw. Okay, done. Then okay, so once you withdraw, it should be withdrawn lah. Okay, as clear as it gets. So okay, next, exercise and assignment. I think this is something that you know, frequent options trader or those who already know what options is will want to know what are our what we will be doing for exercise and assignment. So let us talk about exercise first. Not gonna make you do, you know, all the jumping jacks and stuff lah. But so PSPR will not allow any exercising of the options contract itself. We can, you know, it's to our discretion that we can do any of these three options as stated here lah. This is also on the website itself. We can either close your, you know, in the money position, or we can allow auto exercise, which means if you guys got cash inside, then we like, okay lah, then we will put it in. But currently, as of what we are saying, right, we do not allow exercising of options. It's not 100, like you cannot lah. But of course, in any case, something happens, we have the right to do these three stated here. Okay, so if it's still not clear, put it in the Q&A again. I will look it. If not, my team will answer you as how like to answer you lah. Okay, so assignment. Assignment is where you have covered call position, and then it's suddenly it's in the money, and then you need to there's assignment required lah. You will have to deliver your shares, correct? And so you will, the assignment will be going through lah. That's why we need you to transfer your shares over to the sub account. So once you sell covered call, it gets assigned, you will get the proceeds. But in this case, your shares will be removed from your account lah. Okay, that is covered call for us. So hope that's clear also. So currently the price feed is free for non-professionals. So if you are not a full-time trader, you are, you know, just a retail, you know, just looking, your job is not in the financial industry, it will be free for you. Okay, then for the professional users, you will be required to pay up to $31.5 USD per month for the live data. So subscription, okay, tricky is subscription. You will have to go on to Poem's web, okay, not on the phone itself. You will have to go on the web, click on market data and rewards, and then you subscribe to the option data price feed. So once again, there are two things that you will have to go onto our Poem's web. First is your CAR form. Second, if you're looking for the free options price feed, you will have to go under the Poem's web under market data and rewards. So I hope this is clear. Yes, okay. Okay, so with this quick navigation, if you guys got any, you know, this will be a survey form. If you guys got any questions, I will answer them. Wait, I will still answer your questions. I'm not trying to siam all these. So next page, I think it will be Q&A. So I'll be answering your questions and, you know, bringing up some question that is that's relevant. So if you guys got, you know, so this survey itself will be for you guys to, what do you guys want to hear, or in the next webinar, do you guys want to look at live TA? Do you want to, so technical analysis, you want to look at the fundamentals? Feel free to feedback to us via this survey form. We will do our best, and then of course, next month on our monthly webinar, we will come up with something that you guys like. Okay, so I'll just leave it here. And if you guys got any questions that we didn't answer in this webinar, feel free to call us, contact us. Poems will be available for you guys to contact. Okay, just call us straight. We will answer your questions. Okay. So, okay. After this, next. So now the Q&A. Okay, yes, Q&A. Like a lot of things. I'll go one by one, because I want to make sure it's clear to everyone. This, if don't open trade, no charge, right? Yes, no charge. We never charge you because you open an account there, then we like, wow, this guy open an account, I'm gonna charge him. No. Okay, if you never open a no trade, no nothing, it's completely okay. So now you just want to open an options account, put it there, let it, it's okay. It will still be open, no issue. So next question by BS Tan. Have the following message: your account is not eligible for trading. Please contact trading rep for. Not sure who my trading rep. Okay, if you're not sure who your trading rep is, right? You can just call us. You go to Poem's website, then there'll be the number lah, a lot of number for you lah. Feel free to call. We will definitely let you know who your your trading rep is. Okay, make your account is always there's always a trading rep. So make sure to know who your trading reps are. Then you can contact them if you need any assistance. Okay. So BS Tan, I hope that answers your question. You can call into us who your trading rep is. Okay. What is by Anders what is the Poems 3 version that supports option trading? It's 3.2.56. So if you are using anything below 3.2.56, please go and update it. So so the latest one is 3.2.56. Okay. And then next, do we use the same Poem stock account or will be allocated a new account? Okay, I don't want to confuse everyone. So if you have a stock account with us already, let's say I have a stock account. I just need to go, there'll be an options tab on this new app. I just go there and then I click open options account. So it's a sub account. You don't have to go through all the paperwork and then open another options account. Okay, this will be this is actually integrated in your current existing account. You just need to open a sub account within. I hope that answers your question. As my colleague has answered. So if I already have a Poem account, resubmit the 3 forms again. If you have been trading US market, you have been trading ETFs and stuff, no, you don't have to submit the 3 forms again. But make sure you check because some of the forms do expire. They have time. So make sure you check you got all these 3 forms. If you don't, they will prompt you that you do not have such form. So just make sure you go and do it. Once again, CAR form is you can do it, find it online. Okay. When is options trading available from desktop? It will be coming real soon. We are actually working towards putting the desktop version out because I understand that on the phone, later cannot see, want to see also cannot see the BNRs, cannot see the IV, all these. So yes, we have taken that into consideration and desktop will be launching real soon. Tentatively, as my colleague have mentioned, it will be around Q3 tentatively. So Y Leong, okay, is the transfer in or transfer out instantaneously? This one, no, it's not instant in. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. Like, okay, you just head to the link that my colleague has provided. There will be some time, but of course, if you transfer in, you can trade during that day. Okay. I just want to say this, once you transfer in, but there will be some cut-off time that you would need to take note. So you just go to the website. Everything is stated on the options trading page on Poems. So if you check already, then like you don't know the time still never state, then you call us. Okay, we will be ready to answer your questions because I believe most of the details are already up on our website. So do feel free to check it out. Okay, Jun Ang. Will you be making these slides and this video available? Yes, this video and slides will be available. I believe it will be uploaded to YouTube, if I'm not wrong. So you guys, if you guys got any inquiries, still don't understand how to place orders and stuff, you can just put it into the, sorry, you don't understand, right? Just go to YouTube. This video, what I went through will be uploaded there. Okay. BS Tan, in Poems, I only have cash stock account. Can I also trade option here? Cash stock account, I believe it's replied by my team. So yes, can this platform can do vertical pair? No, yes, correct. Also answered by my colleague. So is there a demo account to test? Currently, no demo for options. Is option available in your web-based platform? Currently, yes. Like I mentioned earlier, web-based will be launched as soon as Q3. Is the bid and ask price the real time? If you subscribe to the free price, I mean, if you subscribe to the market data, definitely it'll be real time. Because it will be very difficult to trade on delayed pricing, especially for options. Where do I find margin requirements if I want to sell SPX 2000 put? So yes, as mentioned, initial launch there will be no margin. Okay. Only so trading strategies, even without margin, you can still do a lot of different trading strategies. You can long put, long call, you can do straddle, strangle, covered call. So all these you can still do. Okay. To be clear, I'm asking for margin for option writing. As mentioned, it is current strategies are long put, long call. So next, if I look at the BNRs, I'm lost as to what to do, like how to trade and make money. If you look at option ask, bid, call, put, then you're lost. Very scary. No way. Please go and read the products. If you don't understand ask, call, put, all these very important. You trade options. Please go and read. Okay, our options trading page has been updated so much that you enter the website, you will roughly understand what is option, how do you trade options, what's call, what's a put. Okay, just don't, very scary lah. If you don't know the products, then you want to trade. So please go and understand the products and before you start looking into all these lah. Okay, so how do you know options account? So your options account will take up to 2 days lah. It's 1 to 2 days. So once it's open, you guys should see a trade button instead of open account. So pretty straightforward also. Commission wise, minimally the commission is 2.88 per trade, but 0.88 per contract. So let's say you buy one contract costs up to 2.88 lah. As simple as that. And if you want to buy 4 contracts, one contract is 0.88 then you just multiply by 4 lah. That's it lah. Okay. Then where to see brokerage detail? Brokerage. Wait, we share. Where to see brokerage detail? If you go to our website, our brokerage detail are like as clear as day lah. We have stated everything on the website, our Poems web. So feel free. Okay, let me check. I'm still looking at the questions. Give me a second. Okay, if put option or call option contracts expire was worthless, do you need to close it manually? No need lah. If it expires, it expires lah. But if it's in the money, then we will have to close it for in the money. If not, exercise will take place. But we currently do not allow exercise lah. So if that's clear for you guys. So okay, I'll just keep it quite straightforward lah. Equities trading rep is the same as option trading rep. As long as your trading rep, right, they should know about all these products lah. Those managing account. If not, they can always ask the global night desk. We will be there to assist them also. So you can also call into night desk. We will have option specialists, or actually most of us will know what is will know what you want to ask lah. Okay. So wait, I'm still looking at the question. Give me a second. Okay, P3 app version can replace P2 mobile apps. Yes, so P3 offered Poems will basically replace your P2 lah. Let me see. I need to see if there's any more options related. Can you kindly link options trading page? Okay, options trading page is also in your. Okay, second. I'll put the options trading page for poems. You guys, please, if you are curious about anything, the FAQ, the brokerage, everything is right at the link I just sent in the chat. Okay. So you guys can just click. If you've got any questions, you guys can still ask. Okay. So okay, okay, one question. If I long a call or put, the options turn in the money. Can I exercise them if I have sufficient cash for call and sufficient stocks holding for the put? So as of now, we do not allow any exercise of the following. So we will either roll or close your or lapse your contract. So I hope this is clear. When can you start trading US option? You can opt in for US option now. So if you haven't, opening US options account is free. Okay, you can, if you're not even trading, you can just open it up. Then once you understand more about options, you can then jump in. But if you don't, then you can always go and to our trading page. We have all the information, what's call, what's put, how do you do certain strategies. It's all on the page itself. So if you haven't opened an account, please go and open. It's free. We don't charge anything. Okay, so okay, so we have one interesting question also. If I have sufficient stocks in poems, I sell a covered call and long a call of the same company. Is that allowed? Yes, it is allowed. Okay, so once you can do a covered call, so you can sell with the shares in your stock account. You can actually sell a call. Okay, so that's the covered call, and then you can also buy a call. So that's another strategy lah. Basically, it'll become a bull call spread. Yes, it'll become a bull call spread. So yes, okay. Some other questions. So in the money, you'll be cash settled. As in, yes, in the money, you'll be cash settled. So you will get the profit in money. So if it's in the money, we'll close it. You'll get whatever you have profited. Okay, very straightforward. Then I think there's another question. Is okay, if you transfer stocks from your stock account to your options account, got any charge or not? No, there is no charge. Okay, so if you have the shares from your stock account, you want to make a transfer, to your stock account to do covered call, there is no charge. I say it's free, so you can just transfer in and out as you like lah. So it's as simple as that. So if you guys got any questions, I believe that's about it. If you guys got any questions, feel free to sound it out. If not, I'll be very happy to answer you guys. If not, I think that will be all for today's webinar. It's very short and clear one into the options. Okay. Okay. So the number, if you guys don't know who your trading reps are, the number for our client help desk is right there. You can either call us or email us. We will be happy to, we'll be happy to answer you and help you out. Okay, so if you have sufficient stock holding, you can sell long call, but you cannot sell put. You cannot sell a put but you can long a put yeah, you can long a put, but you cannot sell a put. Okay. So for initial phase, also do note that there's no shorting Okay, no shorting of call and put. I mentioned earlier in this webinar, naked call and put is very dangerous if you don't really understand the products of option trading. So that's one of the reasons why we want to start off with to make sure that people who are trading option know what they are trading. Okay. So if not, thank you guys. Thanks for coming. The survey form is right here. If you guys got any questions, anything you want to ask, feel free to put into this form. We will be happy to cater our next webinar to you. If not, that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming. I know it's very late. You guys just ended work. So thanks for coming. If there's any more questions, I'll keep it to another 1 or 2 more questions, if any. If not, I'll be closing this session soon. So thanks for coming, guys. Hope everyone's okay. Happy trading. Market is slightly red today. I think it's finally red. So yes, you can start trading options now. Yes, options, you will have to open an account first. So once you have account, you make transfer in your you have money transferred into your sub account, and then you can start buying and buying the long and call long put. Okay, can hear you. Okay, what is the trading hours? Okay, trading hours wise, strictly to the market hours lah. So once market open, you can trade options. There is no pre-market, no post-market. So make sure, so once the market open, you can already submit orders into the market to buy your options contract. Hope that answers your question. Okay, I will keep it to another 2 minutes. Hope everyone's okay. Okay, yes, options on index from Dave. So option index, currently there is, we are only allowing options on the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Russell 3000 stocks. All these are stated on our website as well. This is only for the initial phase. So once we move, it will be on the, we will do options for the ETFs and indexes. So if you have an account with us already and have money inside, you can start trading options right now. Okay. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Yes, I've answered. Okay, I've answered the if you trade options tonight. Yes, if you got account open and you have funds inside, yes, you can trade now. Okay. Okay, market opens at 9:30 p.m. So you can submit orders once the market open, which is 9:30 p.m. today. Okay, so market is gonna open in another 40 minutes. I hope everyone's watching the market closely. You know, chasing the AI hype, quite dangerous considering the current economy. So I hope you guys have time to read the news. If not, like I mentioned, we have Poem's Telegram. There'll be updates on the current market. So if you're not free, so I'll just share the link once again in front. Okay. Okay, so you guys, if you do not have time, scan this QR, enter our Telegram group. We will have our researchers are doing their best to post everything on the US, I mean, all around. So all this information you guys read when you guys are free. If not, time now is about 8:49. 1 more minute, I'll close this webinar. I hope everyone's happy trading to everyone. Make sure you guys, you know, I hope you guys earn a lot of money from trading. Market has been green, AI has been crazy. So, okay, without further ado, thank you guys for coming. I'll be closing the webinar right now. So big thank you. Okay, happy trading, good night.